Yo, what's up everyone? Devesh here. So you're thinking about starting a blog? Maybe you've got a passion you want to share with the world, or maybe you just want to level up your writing game. Whatever your reason, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to start a blog. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your blogging skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. We'll be covering everything from picking the perfect niche to getting your blog out there and even making some money from it. So grab your notepad and that cup of coffee and let's jump right in. Alright, so first things first, we need to figure out what you're going to write about. This is what we call your niche. It's like picking the perfect phone case. You want it to be something you connect with, something that reflects your style. The same goes for your blog. Choose a topic you're passionate about, something you can talk about for hours on end. Could be anything: travel, tech, my personal favorite, food, personal finance, lifestyle, you name it. Now, you might be thinking, but what if my interests are too broad? Well, that's where things get interesting. You can always start with a broader niche and then narrow it down as you go. For example, instead of just travel, you could focus on budget travel tips for college students or vegan food adventures around the world. See? You're adding that personal touch, making your niche your own. The key here is to choose something you're genuinely interested in because, trust me, that passion will shine through in your writing. Now that you know what you're going to write about, it's time to choose where you're going to build your blog. Think of it like picking the right smartphone for your needs. You've got options, each with its own strengths. First up, we've got WordPress.org, the self-hosted option. It's like owning your own server. Super customizable but requires a bit more technical know-how. Then there's Blogger, the free and simple option, perfect for beginners who just want to dip their toes into the blogging world. If you're all about that drag and drop life, Wix or Squarespace might be your jam. They're super user-friendly and offer beautiful templates. And for those who are all about the writing, Medium is a great platform to share your thoughts and connect with a wider audience. Now I know choosing a platform can feel overwhelming, but don't sweat it. Take your time, weigh the pros and cons, and see what fits your needs and budget best. Remember, you can always switch things up later on. The important thing is to just get started. So you've picked your platform, now it's time to give your blog a name and a place to live on the internet. We're talking domain names and hosting. If you're going the self-hosted route with WordPress.org, this step is crucial. Your domain name is like your blog's street address. It's how people find you online. You'll want to choose something catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Think of it like choosing the perfect Instagram handle. It should represent your brand. Once you've got your domain name locked down, you'll need a place to store all your blog's files and data. That's where web hosting comes in. Think of it like renting an apartment for your blog. You can find reliable and affordable hosting providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger. They'll take care of all the technical stuff so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Chapter 4. Setting the stage. Setting up your blog. With your domain and hosting sorted, it's time to build the actual blog. If you're using WordPress, most hosting providers offer a one-click install option, making it super easy to get started. Once WordPress is installed, you'll need to choose a theme. This is like the design template for your blog. It dictates the layout, fonts, colors, and overall look and feel. There are tons of free and premium themes available, so take your time browsing through different options until you find one that aligns with your brand and aesthetic. Once you've got your theme installed, it's time to customize. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. You can add your logo, create a custom header image, choose your color scheme, and really make your blog your own. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure your blog design is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Chapter 5. The Essentials. Creating essential pages for your blog. Okay, so we've got the foundation of your blog set up. Now it's time to add some essential pages. Think of these pages as the backbone of your blog, providing crucial information to your visitors. First up, the About page. This is your chance to introduce yourself to your readers, share your story, and let them know what your blog is all about. Next, you'll need a Contact page. This makes it easy for brands, collaborators, and readers to get in touch with you. Don't forget about the Privacy Policy page. This is essential for legal reasons, especially if you're collecting any personal information from your visitors. And lastly, you'll need a blog page. This is where all your awesome blog posts will live. These pages may seem basic, but they're essential for building trust and credibility with your audience. So, make sure to put some thought into crafting these pages and presenting yourself in a professional and approachable manner. Alright, it's time for the fun part, creating content. This is where you get to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with the world. But before you start typing away, let's talk strategy. First impressions matter, so make sure your headlines are catchy and attention-grabbing. No one wants to read a boring headline, right? Once you've hooked your readers with a killer headline, you need to keep them engaged. Break up your text with headings, subheadings, bullet points, and images to make it more visually appealing and easy to read. Remember, people are busy, so make it easy for them to digest your content. And most importantly, create original and valuable content. Don't just rehash what everyone else is saying, offer a unique perspective, share your personal experiences, and provide real value to your readers. You've poured your heart and soul into creating awesome content. Now it's time to get it out there for the world to see. Promoting your blog is just as important as creating great content. Think of it like releasing a new phone. You need to get the word out there, build hype, and get people excited. One of the easiest ways to promote your blog is through social media. Share your latest posts on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Don't be afraid to get creative with your captions and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Another effective strategy is to join online communities and forums related to your niche. Engage in conversations, share your insights, and subtly promote your blog when relevant. And of course, we can't forget about SEO, search engine optimization. This is a whole other beast, but basically it involves optimizing your blog posts and website to rank higher in search engine results pages like Google. By using relevant keywords, writing high-quality content, and building backlinks, you can increase your chances of driving organic traffic to your blog. So, you've been consistently creating awesome content and building a loyal audience. Now you might be wondering, can I make money from my blog? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. Monetizing your blog is like adding premium features to your phone. It takes time, effort, and strategy, but it can be incredibly rewarding. One of the most popular ways to monetize your blog is through display advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to display ads on your website and earn money based on clicks or impressions. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services on your blog. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. If you have your own products or services, your blog can serve as a powerful platform to promote and sell them directly to your audience. And as your blog grows in popularity, you might even start attracting sponsored content opportunities where brands pay you to create content featuring their products or services. Remember, monetizing your blog takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication, strategic planning, and a commitment to creating valuable content, you can turn your passion for blogging into a sustainable income stream. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to creating a successful blog. We covered a lot of ground today, from choosing your niche to monetizing your content. Remember, the most important thing is to just get started. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn along the way. Blogging is a journey, and like any good tech review, we're here to help you navigate it. So go out there, share your passions, connect with the world, and create something amazing. Happy blogging. Happy.